Hi and welcome to the YouTube channel of MindCypress. Today we are going to talk about sample size. Let's learn.
A simple guide to determine the correct sample size. Introduction. Understanding the correct sample size is crucial in any study or research. The sample size refers to the number of participants or observations included in your study. Why is sample size important? Choosing the correct sample size is important for several reasons. Accuracy ensures results are close to the true population values. Reliability reduces the chance of errors or misleading conclusions. Cost efficiency helps balance between having enough data and not wasting resources. Clearly define your objectives. Before you can determine your sample size, it's important to clearly define the objectives of your study. Ask yourself, what specific information do I need from this study? Who is the population I am studying? What level of precision do I need in my results? By answering these questions, you can better understand the demands of your study and how accurate your results need to be. Common mistakes to avoid. When determining your sample size, there are a few common mistakes you should avoid. First, using a sample size that's too small. This can lead to inaccurate results because the sample may not represent the population well. Second, using a sample size that's too large. While this may not harm your results, it can waste time and resources. Third, ignoring variability. If your population has a lot of variability, you need a larger sample size to accurately reflect that diversity. Neglecting this can lead to incorrect conclusions. Let's look at two examples to see how sample size is determined. First, customer satisfaction survey. Imagine you are conducting a survey to measure customer satisfaction for a large retail chain. You'll need to determine the right sample size to ensure your survey results accurately reflect the opinions of the entire customer base. Second, medical study. In a medical study testing the effectiveness of a new drug, you need to ensure your sample size is large enough to provide statistically significant results that can be applied to the broader population. Conclusion. By clearly defining your study objectives, understanding key concepts, using appropriate formulas or tools, and avoiding common mistakes, you can confidently determine the sample size that best suits your study's needs. The purpose of your data can determine your sample size. If your sample size is too small, the survey's results may not be accurate. If it's too large, the survey can be expensive or require more time to complete.
Hope you liked our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment section the next topic you want us to talk about.